Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic chemistry questions for you. Here they given BrF4 cation. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number. The formula for steric number is V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. Here the boron valency, which is V, is 7. Fluorine atom is 4. If you substitute in the formula, you have steric number 5. Then if you find the lone pair, which is 5 minus 4 equals 1, H5 means sp3 hybridization with trigonal bipyramidal. You have one lone pair, mean it's a trigonal bipyramidal structure with a lone pair. If you really look at it, it will be like CSIR structure. So shape of BrF4 plus is CSIR structure. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.